Hello students, here I Priya Sacha welcome you all in my online class of 7th. Today we will continue with our chapter number 6, Simple Linear Equations, exercise 6b. But before starting, I would suggest you all to like and subscribe my channel, so whenever I upload my next video, you will get the notification for that. And don't forget to write your name, class and section in the comment box for daily attendance. Let's start with quick recapitulation. First one is equations. An equation is a statement which states that two expressions are equal. Here you can see 4x plus 5 is equals to 5x minus 7. Two algebraic expressions are combined with equal to sign. So this is an equation. Right? Next is simple linear equation. An equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1. That is called simple linear equation. For example, 7x plus 8 is equals to 18. Here you can see only one variable is there and that variable x power is 1. So this is called simple linear equation in one variable. So if we have to find out any word problems, then statement we have to convert into simple linear equation and then we have to find out a known variable value. So in this numerical you can see thrice the number increased by 12 is 60. Find the number. So in that case, first let the number be x, then according to question, just make the equation thrice the number means 3x increased by 12 means plus 12 is 60. So that means is equals to 60. Now solve this equation, transpose plus 12 from left hand side to right hand side. We have to subtract. 60 minus 12 will be 48. And here you can see 3x. 3 is in multiplication with x. So when we will transpose, we have to divide it. So x is equals to 48 by 3, that is 16. So value of the number will be 16. Now come to exercise 6b, 14th numerical. A bag contains 1 rupee and 2 rupees coins. The number of 2 rupees coins is twice the number of 1 rupee coins. The total amount of money in the bag is rupees 95. Find the number of each of the coins. In this numerical, they are saying a bag contains some coins are of rupees 1 and some coins are of rupees 2. But we don't know how many coins are of rupees 1 and how many coins are of rupees 2. So first we have to let. So let number of rupees 1 coins be x. So number of rupees 2 coins will be, they are saying 2 times of rupees 1x. So it will be 2x, right? Then according to question, what will be the equation? If I will say, if you are having 2 rupees 10 coins, right? So total amount you are having is 2 into 10, that is 20. Similarly, we have to do in this numerical. They are saying 1 rupees x coin. So 1 into x, 2 rupees 2x coin. So 2 into 2x and total amount will be 95, right? So what will be the equation? 1 into x plus 2 into 2x is equals to 95. Solve. 1 into x is x plus 2 into 2x is 4x is equals to 95. 5x is equals to 95. Then when you will calculate value of x, it will be 95 by 5, that is 19. Right? So value of x we have let as rupees, number of rupees 1 coins. So that means number of rupees 1 coins will be 19 and number of rupees 2 coins will be 2x, that is 2 into 19, 38. Right? Sum number 15, the perimeter of a rectangle is 250 meter if the length of the rectangle is 5 meter more than twice the breadth. Then find the length and breadth of the rectangle. In that case, first we have to let the breadth of a rectangle be x meter. So length will be, they are saying 5 meter more than twice the breadth. So breadth is x, so twice the breadth means 2x and 5 meter more means plus 5. So length will be 2x plus 5. Now we know that parameter of a rectangle is 2 length plus breadth. Now put the value of length and breadth in that formula. Length is 2x plus 5 and breadth is x. So when we will put, equation will be 250 is equals to 2 into 2x plus 5 plus x. Right? Now solve. 2x plus x will be 3x plus 5 into 2 is equals to 250. So 250 is equals to 2 3s are 6x plus 2 5s are 10. When we will transpose 10 from right hand side to left hand side, we have to subtract. 250 minus 10 will be 240. And when we will transpose 6 from left hand side to right hand side, we have to divide. Right? So it will be 240 by 6. When we will solve, 40 meter will come. So value of x is 40 meter. That means breadth is 40 meter. Now length will be 2x plus 5. On putting value of x as 40, it will be 2 into 40 plus 5. 2 into 40 is 80. 80 plus 5 is 85 meter. Right? So that means rectangle's length will be 85 meter and breadth will be 40 meters. Now sum number 18. In an isosceles triangle, the two equal sides are twice the length of the third side. The perimeter of the triangle is 105 centimeter. Find the sides of the triangle. In that case, let the third side of an isosceles triangle be x. Then what about two equal sides? Two equal sides are given twice the length of the third side. That means 2x. Right? So that means each equal side will be of 2x. We know that parameter of triangle is sum of all sides. So parameter is given 105 centimeters. So 105 is equals to sum of all sides. That means third side x plus two equal side, that is 2x plus 2x. Clear? So x plus 2x plus 2x will be 5x is equals to 105. When we will calculate, value of x will be 21 centimeter and that will be third side. Then what about two equal sides? Each equal side is of 2x. So 2 into 21 will be 42 centimeter. So dimensions of triangle are 21 centimeter, 42 centimeter and 42 centimeter. It is clear? Now sum number 19. Meera has 4 pencils less than 3 times the pencils Kanak has. Meera has 17 pencils. How many pencils does Kanak have? Let Kanak has x pencils. Then Meera has how many pencils? 4 pencils. Pencils less than 3 times the pencils Kanak has. Kanak has x pencils. So 3 times of x will be 3x and less than 4. So it will be 3x minus 4. Right? But they are saying Meera has 17 pencils. So that means 3x minus 4 is equals to 17. When we will transpose 4 from left hand side to right hand side, we have to add 17 plus 4 will be 21. Value of x will be 7. So that means Kanak has 7 pencils. Right? Now sum number 20. One angle is 4 times its complement. Find the two angles. We know that sum of two complementary angles is equals to 90 degree. Let one angle be x, then other angle will be 90 minus x, right? So according to question, they are saying one angle is 4 times its complement. One angle is 4 times its complement. So when we will equate the equation, 4 we have to multiply it with 90 minus x, right? It is already 4 times. So x is equals to 4, 90 minus x. This will be the equation. Now we have to solve. X is equals to 360. 90 into 4 is 360 minus 4x. When we will transpose from right hand side to left hand side, we have to add. So when we will add, 5x is equals to 360 will come. And when we will solve, value of x will be 72 degree, right? That means first angle will be of 72 degree. Then what about other angle? Other angle is 90 minus x. That means 90 minus 72 is 18 degree. So angles are 72 degree and 18 degree. Sum number 21. Rama is 5 years younger than her sister. After 5 years, her sister will be 7 years less than 2 times Rama's age. Find their ages. In that case, first we have to let their present ages. Rama and Rama's sister. Let Rama's sister's present age be x years. Then what about Rama's present age? They are saying Rama is 5 years younger than her sister. So that means Rama's present age will be x minus 5 years. Right? Now according to question, they are saying after 5 years. After 5 years, Rama's sister age will be, Rama present age is x. Then after 5 years, she will be x plus 5 years. Right? And what about Rama's age? Our present age is x minus 5. So after 5 years, Rama's age will be x minus 5 plus 5. When we will solve, then x years will come. Clear? Now according to question, what they are saying, after 5 years, her sister will be 7 years less than 2 times Rama's age. When we will equate the equation, then we have to do operation on Rama's age. 2 times Rama's age less than 7. Right? To equate the equation, to balance the equation. Right? To balance the ages of Rama and Rama's sister. Right? So equation will be x plus 5 is equals to 2x minus 7. Now we have to transpose 2x from right hand side to left hand side. It will be x minus 2x, and constant term plus 5 from left hand side to right hand side. It will be minus 5. So when we will solve, x minus 2x, it will be minus x is equals to minus 7 minus 5 will be minus 12. Minus minus cancel out from both the side. X is equals to 12. So at present, Rama's sister age is 12 years and Rama's age is x minus 5. That means 12 minus 5 equals to 7 years. Right? Now I am giving you some numericals from exercise 6B, question number 16, 17 and 22. Do in your classwork notebook. PDF of this home task and today's work is also available in description below. If you have any query, then you can write in comment section. Okay, bye bye. Take care.